Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. TikTok for Business is a powerful platform for reaching new audiences and promoting your brand. It provides businesses with a suite of tools and resources to create engaging content, connect with potential customers, and drive results. The platform's user-friendly interface allows even beginners to quickly get started with advertising. You can target your ads based on various demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring your message reaches the right people. Detailed analytics and reporting features provide valuable insights into campaign performance, enabling you to optimize your strategies and maximize your return on investment. TikTok's creative tools, including trending sounds and effects, empower businesses to produce dynamic and captivating content that resonates with the platform's vibrant community. From short-form videos to live streams, businesses can leverage a variety of formats to showcase their products or services in creative and compelling ways. Moreover, TikTok offers a range of ad formats, including in-feed ads, brand takeovers, and sponsored hashtag challenges, providing flexibility to tailor your campaigns to your specific marketing objectives. Whether you're a small business just starting out or a large enterprise looking to expand your reach, TikTok for Business offers a valuable platform to connect with a massive and engaged audience. Exploring the platform's diverse advertising options and creative tools can significantly enhance your brand visibility and drive meaningful business growth. By understanding the nuances of the TikTok community and leveraging its unique features, businesses can effectively tap into the platform's immense potential and achieve their marketing goals. Furthermore, the platform provides resources and support to guide businesses through the process of creating and managing successful TikTok marketing campaigns. Don't hesitate to explore the various educational materials and best practices available to enhance your understanding of the platform and maximize your results.